Subscribe to Win Civil World, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Hi friends, welcome to Win Civil World. In this section we are going to discuss about green walls. What do you mean by a green wall? Or it can either be called vertical wall, it is called eco wall or living wall, and what are the advantages of green wall system? What are green walls? Green walls are independent freestanding structures, or they can be wall mounted structures which are panel mounted or tray mounted and have arrangements to carry plants. Green plants are attached with drip system of irrigation and have drainage pipes to release excess water. Green walls are basically made of plants. Why green walls? We are living in a very polluted atmosphere, and it is advisable to keep indoor plants to purify the air and makes us feel fresh and energetic. Let us have a small comparison between green walls and indoor plants. Green walls can accommodate a lot of plants within a minimal space, but indoor plants comes as individual plants and occupies a lot of space. Green plants have inbuilt drip irrigation systems, but indoor plants are watered manually. Green plants are attached with the system to drain water, and in the case of indoor plants, excess water shall be drained manually. Because of all this, we can consider green plants are a better option where green walls are used. The concept of green walls are there from the 1930s, but was limited to commercial and public spaces. The concept is slowly moving into the residential atmosphere as a back to nature concept. How green walls are made? The green wall system is where plants are grown in a medium mounted on horizontal frames. These are either freestanding type or these are wall mounted types. They have inbuilt drip irrigation systems and have drainage pipes. What are the benefits of green plants? First is environmental and healing benefits. The plants takes in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen during photosynthesis. This can make us feel fresh and energetic and take us close to the nature. Plants can make us forget the busy urban atmosphere and can lift our moods. The nature can heal a lot of human behaviorisms like anxiety, depression, and anger. Next is architectural benefits of green walls. Green walls are visually appealing. Green walls can make the space looks bright, charming, and pleasing. Green walls looks different from the conventional interiors. Energy efficiency of green walls. Outdoor green walls can reduce heat transmission and hence air condition load can be reduced. Which in turn reduces the energy consumption. Indoor green plants expels moisture through a process called transpiration, in which it can reduce the indoor temperature by 10%. Acoustic properties of green walls. Green walls can reduce noise and have very good noise absorption qualities. Indoor air quality index. Because of this environmental pollution, the air quality will be poor and plants can absorb and reduce harmful pollutants by 20 to 25 percentage. Plants can reverse the urbanization effect through their back to nature abilities. Recreating an ecosystem. Green walls can recreate the lost ecosystem to an extent. Next is biophilic effect or productivity increase. It is proven that seeing nature through the workplace can increase productivity. After working continuously in a closed office, people can feel fatigue, and with green walls, people can feel energetic and free from fatigue. Next is LEEDS certification. Green walls are included in LEEDS certification category, and LEEDS certification can increase property values. Next is the choice of the plant for indoor and outdoor green walls. For outdoor walls, the plant selection shall be done as per the atmospheric condition of the area. Outdoor green walls have to look good, have to be cheap, and can absorb rainwater and act as an insulator. Indoor green walls, the plants with air purification abilities has to be selected. Hence, we can conclude that green plants are not simply an architectural concept but something more than that, which can take people back to nature from the clutches of urbanization. Thank you.